Hi everyone, in this video you can find out how to delete playlist in your YouTube channel. So let's start. First you need to go your YouTube channel, click here and go to YouTube Studio. Click playlist. Now you can see your playlist that's not working or hidden. Now click here. What's this? This link hidden. It's not working. I want to delete this. Click three dot icon and find it, delete and delete. That's all. If you want to check this, now click here and go to your studio, click playlist. Yeah, that's it. It's totally delete or remove and there is no hidden playlist. You can easily create a new playlist. That's all. Thank you.